Now with a for loop, you have to count from a fixed value up to and including or not including a final value. Another way a for loop can work is by counting through a string. And essentially what we're doing is the for loop runs for however many characters are in that string. So if you run this, you'll see that X represents H, then E, L, L, O. And if we change this, you can see that when we run it, X also represents the space character and the exclamation mark. So by using a string, you can also define how many times a for loop runs. Another way is with an array. An array simply stores multiple items of the same data type. And when we run this, you'll see that X takes on the value of each item in that array. And so the three ways to do a for loop, you could do that with a numeric value with a closed range, so it goes from 1 up to and including 3, or you can do a half open range where you can go 1 up to but not including the final range. You could do this where you can count characters in a string, or you can count items in an array. So those are the three options for counting in a for loop and defining how many times a for loop runs.